Today we are making a simple recipe for delicious chicken tacos. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breasts cut into small pieces. 1/2 medium onion, diced. 1/2 medium bell pepper diced. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1 packet of taco seasoning or homemade blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, and salt. 8 to 10 corn tortillas. Shredded cheese. Optional toppings: diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce diced. Avocado, sour cream, salsa, cilantro. Instructions: in a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Add chicken and cook until browned, about 5 to 6 minutes. Add onion and bell pepper, cook until tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add garlic and taco seasoning, cook for 1 minute. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Warm tortillas in pan or microwave. Assemble tacos by placing chicken mixture onto tortillas followed by cheese and desired homemade taco seasoning recipe. 2 tablespoons chili powder. 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1 tablespoon paprika. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1/2 tablespoon onion powder. 1/2 tablespoon salt. 1/4 tablespoon black pepper. Variations: add diced jalapenos or serrano peppers for extra heat. Use chipotle peppers in adobo sauce for a smoky flavor. Top with sliced grilled pineapple or pickled onions. Try using different types of cheese. Nutrition information per serving: calories 350, protein 35 g, fat 15 g, saturated fat 3.5 g, cholesterol 60 mg, sodium 350 mg. The calorie count for tacos varies widely depending on the type, size, and fillings. Here is a rough estimate of calories in different types of tacos. Traditional Mexican-style tacos. Corn tortilla 50 to 160 calories. Beef or chicken filling 2 ounces 150 calories. Vegetables: lettuce, tomatoes, onions 20 to 50 calories. Total 170 to 260 calories. Fast food style tacos. Crunchy taco shell 120 to 150 calories. Beef or chicken filling 2 oz 150 to 200 calories. Cheese, lettuce, tomatoes 100 to 150 calories. Total 370 to 500 calories. Modern California style tacos. Large flour tortilla 50 to 200 calories. Grilled fish or steak 3 ounces 200 to 300 calories. Avocado salsa, sour cream 150 ml to 200 calories. Total 500 to 700 calories. Breakdown of popular taco chains. Taco Bell. Soft taco 180 to 230 calories. Crunchy taco 190 to 240 calories.